If you've ever opened a website in Firefox on Windows 11 and nothing seems to happen, or a login box, form, or download screen keeps disappearing, the problem may be that pop-ups are being blocked. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable pop-ups in Firefox on Windows 11 quickly and easily. This is a simple fix, and it can help websites load the way they're supposed to, especially when you're using banking sites, school portals, online tools, or any page that relies on pop-up windows. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Windows and browser tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your Windows 11 PC. You can do this from the Start menu, the taskbar, or your desktop shortcut. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu, where you'll find all the browser settings and controls. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the Firefox settings page, where you can adjust your browsing preferences, privacy options, permissions, and more. Now, on the settings page, click Permission and Data. Depending on your Firefox version, this may appear as part of the Privacy and Security section, but the goal is to get to the area where website permissions are managed. Once you're in the right section, scroll down until you find the option that says Block Pop-ups and Third-Party Redirects. By default, this setting is usually enabled to protect you from intrusive pop-ups and unwanted redirects. If you want websites to be able to open pop-up windows, simply uncheck this box. As soon as you uncheck it, Firefox will allow pop-ups and third-party redirects instead of blocking them. That means pages that need pop-ups for forms, downloads, login windows, or special site features should now work properly. If you ever need to turn this back on later, just come back to the same setting and check the box again. That's all there is to it. You've now enabled pop-ups in Firefox on Windows 11. This is a quick setting change, but it can solve a lot of frustrating website issues in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.